Hello, I'm the recording producer, and I would like to see your records.
Okay, so here's a personal photo of Little Baby China Anne McQueen. Not really. It's just Emmy J.
Yeah, she has a strong voice.
Yes,
What's wrong with you?
Oh, I didn't speak to do it.
What did you do to her?
It's her voice. I don't produce her voice. You may play another song?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let me find one. Would you like the clean version? Yeah, you like clean. Yeah.
Clean.
You like clean. You don't want dirtiness.
Fine. Is that her voice?
Oh no, that's the first. Yeah, it is.
I really don't get how she sings like this. Let's hear a really good song
A really good song
of hers. Her best song.
Best song.
Enough with that creepy voice.
Oh, you don't like that creepy voice?
Well, it's creeping me out a bit.
Oh yeah, of course it is.
Aren't all those her songs?
Yeah.
You're just finding the best one?
Yeah. This is yeah.
She doesn't sing that song. The Black Eyed Peas do.
No, we don't.
Yes, they do.
Not this one, baby.
Good beats. Good beats.
How
How old was she when she did all these songs?
Oh, she's like 13.
I thought you said she was a little baby.
She is. Fine. I just messed up because she looks like one. Doesn't fit it.
Okay, I would like to see her.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is she like a Bigfoot or something?
Here she is. She's in this picture.
That's not her.
Yes. She's a baby, but she's a man. So
that is not her. We're done, Calvin.
Okay.
We're done, Calvin.